Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be talking about coastal scents. If you're new here, I'm Micaylah. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe with the button down below. Leave a like if you want more videos like this, as well as turn the notification bell on so you don't miss another video. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you for becoming a part of my family on here on YouTube. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is always up here. So if you want to follow me on there, I'm really active. I'm trying to connect with everybody. Just DM me if you want to be friends or talk about makeup. I'm always down for that. So today, like I said, we're going to be talking about coastal scents. I have a few of the things that I picked out from the website. Thank you, Coastal Scents, for letting me choose things to make a look with. So I did do an unboxing with everything because everything is not seen right here. So I'll do an unboxing right here. It's already up. I'll link it right there. I'm honestly impressed with its drugstore prices, as well as the quality is like amazing. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into creating this eye look. I did my base already off camera with my eyebrows. I used the Makeup Obsessions Brow Gold Pencil. Primer, I used LA Girl Matte Primer. Foundation, I used the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, as well as the True Blend Concealer and the True Blend Setting Powder, which I have baked over here so I don't get any fallout, which I didn't have any fallout with the shadows. Basically, the rest of the look you're gonna see me do, I just wanted to focus on coastal scents. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I do want to show you this palette, which I did show you in the other video. This is the Revealed Rogue palette. It looks like this. I didn't use this today, but I really just wanted to show you guys this palette because it's really pretty. And I feel like this is a really good palette for the holidays, like for holiday looks. Because you got them cranberries, you got the berry tones, you got the neutrals. You have everything you would need to create everyday looks and holiday looks with this palette. And it's not totally expensive at all. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because, like, look at this packaging. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, this is a beautiful palette. So today I am going to show you two different lip options with this look, but I'm going to do the nude one with coastal scents, and I'll pair another lip so you can see what a bright red lip would look like with this look. So I really wanted to do something wearable, something smoky and no liner, nothing like that, because I wanted it to be something that you guys can recreate and not be like intimidated because a cut crease, or because it's a halo, or because you have to cut out concealer, or you have to do this, and this. We're going to do something easy today. So I took this palette. This is a 21 eyeshadow palette and a 5 blush palette that I put together. I chose shadows from their website and blushes, and I popped them into this palette that they have on the website, which is very good quality. It is magnetized. It's magnetic, whatever, however you say that. They're magnets, but they do come out really easily. They come out like simple, and then they like pop right back into place effortlessly. I can't talk. So these are the colors that I got. I used more so over here, this part, and like some of these shimmers over here. So yeah, I'll play with the colors in another video because I have a lot of looks I want to do since I did choose most of these myself. So that was the fun part, to be honest, because I wanted to do something that I would be inspired by and make a ton of looks with. So you guys know how I love blushes. Like, look at these blushes. They're so beautiful. They sent me some brushes. They sent me the Orchid brush set, which you can see in the unboxing that I linked. They're purple and they are stupid soft. Like, they're so soft, and I'm so excited to see what these apply with. I'm not gonna be able to apply foundation and everything with them because I don't use brushes to apply foundation unless it's a stick foundation. Like I said, let's just get right into creating this eye look. So the first shade I took is called Coconut Husk. I took this and put it as my transition shade. Honestly, this is like my perfect everyday transition shade, and I love this color. And this is the brush that I'll be using. It's kind of like it's a really fluffy brush. It's not dense at all. It just really airbrushes everything. So I'm just gonna take this color and pop it in my crease. Nothing too precise or anything. Like I said, I wanted this look to be more so where everybody can do it without any intimidation. So that is my goal. And you see how I put the setting powder right there? It's gonna keep it from not falling down too awful much. Because usually because I usually do my eyes first, I usually have shadow like all the way down here. So I wanted to make sure I didn't go too low. It's a nice little trick. You can also use some tape, but that does make your foundation come off, and it can be a really big pain to try to fix it. You guys are looking at the background, like I love it. In this room, I changed the curtains from black curtains to like sheer white curtains. And while we're here with this color, I'm also going to put it underneath my, I need a mirror because I'm like using the mirror that's way far over there. I'm gonna pop it right here as well. And like I said, with that setting powder, it's gonna really make sure that I don't go too low. Just a little hat for you guys. The next shade we're gonna be using is the shade Chocolatier. It's a nice chocolate brown. It's really rich, and we're gonna be using this to deepen everything up. And for this, I'm gonna be using this Coastal Scents brush, and I'm going to pack it in there. But this is a gorgeous, the perfect brown color for deepening up any look. These shadows remind me of the Norvina Volume 1, 2, and 3 shadows. Like they're just, they feel exactly like that. Those palettes, like this, the shadows are like really buttery. They feel like no other, and I cannot believe that they remind me of those shadows. And honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest, the shimmers in the Norvina palettes, I can't make them work too awful well. I prefer the shimmers from Coastal Scents. Like I really wanted to like the shimmers in the Norvina palettes, but some of them just don't perform well for me, so I really struggle with the shimmers in those palettes. But the mattes, these equal up to those palettes. Like I'm like shook by that. The next shade we're gonna take is the shade Caramelized. This is a pure bronze color. It's literally so reflective and so pretty. And I don't even need to use a wet brush because the shimmers are so good. 1, 2, 3. Keeping the brush up here. Wait, y'all ready for this? Look, no wet brush. Like, do y'all see that? Pigment. And it looks foiled without any effort. Like it is like so gorgeous, and this color is amazing. And then what I did is I took no extra shadow on this palette and on this brush, and just blended those harsh lines out because we don't want any type of harshness in this look at all. Then I took this pretty cool toned champagne shade called Nectar, and I popped it on the top of the inner lid just to give it some more dimension. And again, I'm using the same Coastal Scent brush, barely dipping into it and just popping it on the inner part of my lid because of the fact that I just love dimensional looks because they really make my eye look more intricate, and like it's not so effortless, but honestly you guys, it's really effortless to get these kind of looks. And now I'm gonna use this champagne gold shade. Actually, this is more like a white gold called Elven Gold, and it is gorgeous. It's like I'm using this to highlight my cheekbones and everything today, so I'm using this to highlight my brow bone and inner corner for now. You guys, I have reptiles as pets. Let me know if you'd like to see like more about like stuff besides makeup, and I'll definitely be able to upload some onto my channel because like I want to give you guys more of a peek of my life. I will be vlogging the trip that me and my cousins take. It's like a granddaughter trip. I can't say where we're going or what it's gonna be because I don't know if my grandma watches my YouTube videos. I think she does. And she's so beautiful, she's so kind, and I'm so thankful that she is my grandmother. And I'm thankful that we get to take her on this trip. So I will be getting in more about that on my next video on December 30th. So we're gonna take this fluffy brush and wipe off the excess. Ooh, this is soft. I didn't use a brush like this for this part either. This is a Coastal Scents. What y'all be doing? This came off so much easier than with the other brush, and it's like I can do this all day. It's so soft and it feels so good. So next we're just gonna apply some mascara. I don't have a Coastal Scents mascara, so I'm using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. It's like this. It has these spikes on the end that make it easy to like push up your lashes. I really like this mascara. At first I didn't. I don't know why. I don't really remember. I think I was just being an ass, but I like it. Okay, you guys, so the eyes are done, so we're gonna move on to bronzer. I got this Sun Tones bronzer in the shade Medium from Coastal Scents, and it really looks like a really good color. Packaging is pretty basic. I don't like bulky packaging at all. It's really sleek. This is what it looks like. It does have a little bit of reflection, but that doesn't scare me with bronzers. I feel like it adds more of a skin-like look to bronzer. So for that, I'm going to be using this brush right here. This reminds me of my Sigma F79 brush because it is small and it fits right into my cheekbones. So I can bronze tour my cheeks. Oh, that's a pretty color. And we're just going to not swipe to disturb the foundation. We're gonna pat. I've been doing this a lot recently. So I'm pushing at my hairline as well because I got a big forehead and we gotta straighten that down some. And then what I do, I don't contour my nose, but I just pat on each side just to give it some dimension and some color. So for highlight, we're going to take the shade Elven Gold and we're going to highlight with that. I'm just going to use this pointed brush right here because I really love to focus on highlights in certain parts of my face. It's really pretty. It's really subtle. It's pretty. I didn't have any other highlights on Coastal Scents, so I was like, you know what, let me use this. And then for blush, I really want to take this everyday looking color. This is called Flan. It's called Flan. Sorry, it's in cursive. It got me. Called Flan. And I'm going to take it on one of these brushes over here. I like to use dual fiber brushes for my blushes a lot, so I'm going to actually try this out so I can try this brush. I just love how dual fiber brushes apply blush. It makes sure it's not going to be too awful pigmented and so you don't go way too heavy-handed at once. And this is like a perfect everyday color. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. And all we have now to do is lips. So I am going to take a lip liner that I use all the time, which is the NYX Downtown Beauty lip liner. It's a brown color. Like I said, I'm going to do 2 lip colors today. Okay, so I line my lips. I almost scratched my face. And I have 2 shades. I think I'm going to use the more like neutral one. There's a pinky one and there's a neutral one. I'm going to use the Coastal Scents lipstick, and this is shade 7. And we're going to apply this right on to our lips. So this is, do you see how pigmented it is? This is actually why I got this color, because I really wanted to do a gradient. And that is lip number 1. These lipsticks are really creamy. Like, they're creamy and they're comfortable. I really like them. So this is the finished look for like a little everyday moment in makeup. So let's get on to lip number 2. So I did a whole like video on these Buxom Full Force lipsticks. Perfect holiday red. This is the shade Winter, and I really felt myself liking this red when I put it on the last time. Like, look, it's like a berry red. So this is what we look like with a red lip. I wanted to give you guys an option to choose for the holidays. So this is again Winter from the Buxom Full Force Pumpkin Lipstick line. So if you want to see more videos like these, or like any kind of video you want to see, just let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see next, so I can, you know, do it for you guys, because I don't mind. And I hope you guys had a lovely Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Let me know what you wished for Christmas down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to the button down below, and I will see you in my next video.